If you're still using dialers to alert you about issues with your barn, an update could save you so much time and money. In 100 seconds, I'll explain how far the technology has come and how Barn Talk gives you reliable and real-time monitoring right to your phone. The problems and limitations with dialers are durability and weatherproofing, wires, and lack of data. For durability and weatherproofing, some dialer models are not sealed, so they're susceptible to moisture damage or corrosion. Chances are yours is due to be replaced anyway to avoid an alarm failure. For the wires, dialers require power and connect to your phone lines. Those wires are susceptible to the same weather and corrosion issues, plus they're a big hassle to deal with and run across your barn. And for lack of data, the dialer is the most basic solution that's limited to alarming you when the issue arises. Whereas the Barn Talk system provides you with 1. Historical information to compare to, 2. Averages in the sensor data to compare to, and 3. How conditions are evolving on other related sensors. For instance, you can see how a loss of power affects the inside temperatures of the barn in real time. Barn Talk is a modern system that uses multi-carrier connectivity to work even when you don't have cell service. It gives you instant updates on any issue through the easy-to-use app on your phone. Avoid communication failures and ensure you're always informed when it matters most. Upgrade to Barn Talk and never miss a critical alert again.